Military Power Index is more than just a tally of soldiers or tanks. It's a comprehensive metric designed to measure and compare the military strength of nations. Rather than focusing solely on budgets or troop numbers, these indices consider a wide range of factors, like equipment quality, logistics, geography, technology, and alliances. The goal is to capture how effective a military really is in operations, not just on paper. For example, a country might have a large army, but if its equipment is outdated or its logistics are weak, its real power may be less than it appears. By weighing these diverse elements, the index offers a nuanced view of global military capability. This sets the stage for understanding how nations stack up against each other in 2025. Military power indices use a mix of quantitative and qualitative factors. Common components include force size, such as active personnel and reserves, equipment like tanks, aircraft, and naval vessels, and financial resources, including defense budgets. Logistics and industrial capacity are crucial, reflecting a nation's ability to supply and mobilize its forces. Geography and terrain can influence strategic advantages, while technology and modernization show how advanced a military is. Training, morale, and operational readiness are also considered, along with alliances and support networks. Some indices even factor in natural resources and internal stability. Different indices weigh these factors differently, which means rankings can vary. For instance, some ignore nuclear arsenals while others include them. This diversity in methodology leads to unique insights about each country's real military strength. Several prominent indices are used to rank military power in 2025. The Global Firepower Index considers over 60 factors, including manpower, equipment, finance, and geography. Its Power Index score ranks the United States first, followed by Russia, China, and India. Another index, Military Power Rankings, uses 114 warfighting factors and emphasizes real combat capability and readiness. Here, Russia tops the list, with China and the United States close behind. The Lowy Institute's Asia Power Index includes both quantitative and qualitative measures, again placing the United States, China, and Russia at the top. These rankings highlight the strengths of each nation, from technological edge and global projection to manpower and modernization. While the top positions are consistent, the methodology behind each index shapes the final result. Military power indices offer valuable comparisons across countries and over time. They help identify not just who has the largest budgets or most troops, but who's more ready, technologically advanced, and better positioned. This is useful for strategic planning and defense diplomacy. However, there are limitations. Many indices rely on publicly available data, which can be incomplete or biased. Quality factors like equipment condition and morale are hard to measure precisely. Some indices downplay nuclear weapons or emerging domains like cyber and space, which may underrepresent modern military power. Static measures can lag behind reality, especially in fast-changing situations. Geopolitical or alliance effects are also difficult to quantify. Despite these challenges, the indices provide a useful snapshot of global military strength. Looking at the 2025 rankings, several patterns stand out. The United States remains the top military power in most indices, thanks to its large budget, technological edge, global reach, and alliance network. Russia and China are consistently near the top, with Russia maintaining strong capabilities despite recent pressures, and China's modernization and industrial capacity driving its rise. India has improved its position through steady defense spending and modernization. East Asian countries like South Korea and Japan also rank highly, especially where readiness and technological modernization are valued. Other mid-tier powers such as Turkey, the UK, and France remain important players, benefiting from alliances, naval and air power, and specialized capabilities. These patterns reflect the complex and evolving landscape of global military power.